He's a bit wet. Been a good bite, this one. Yamato 250. We make rose you kiss the sun at night. Hopeless night. That's been a good bite too. 250 12 miles per hour. I haven't taken that for a spin today. Oh, there's always some more. That'll need a good wash. And the Jackaroo's almost repaired. Almost got a windscreen back in it. Second, does a good job. Let that harden overnight and I'll do some more videos tomorrow with that one. We've got a windscreen back. Just for no little ride, I've got bloody mud everywhere. Ah, good fun. I've got to put some more silicone on that. Looking good. I'll be back in business again. Just want some more mud tomorrow. On a trip for today.